What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And the Samsung is coming up finally with its M series of smartphone, and it's going to be one of the best M series of smartphone in the recent memory after the Galaxy M52. Now the Galaxy M55 is going official with the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1, and the display is going to be a massive 6.7 inch of a Super AMOLED Plus display with a full HD plus resolution, 120Hz of high refresh rate, 1K nits of peak brightness, which is 1000 nits of peak brightness. Now before getting further into this video, if you're new here, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Now moving forward with the back of the phone will be coming with a plastic back, but it will be pairing up with a triple camera setup with a 50 megapixel of a primary sensor with OIS support, and 8 megapixel of an ultra wide camera and a 2 megapixel of a macro sensor. The selfie camera is going to be a massive one in this phone with the 50 megapixels, and the quality of the photos is yet to be seen from the selfie shooter of the phone. Apart from that, the Galaxy M55 will be coming with a 5000 mAh battery with a 45 watts of fast charging support, which is insane to see in a Samsung mid-range smartphone, as even the Galaxy S24 comes with 25 watts of fast charging. The charger will be sold separately, and the major upgrade again this time around is that it's an AMOLED display in this phone, so you will be getting an in-display fingerprint sensor in this phone. Now the phone will also be coming with a dual stereo speaker setup, and so you get the maximum best sound output from the Galaxy M55, and the hybrid slot will be present for a micro SD card or a dual SIM setup for the 5G supports. The phone will be getting out of the box based on Android 14 One UI 6, but you will be getting a 4 years of major OS Android upgrades and 5 years of security patch in this phone. Now the phone does look too good to be true, but the Samsung's Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 is a bit of an older processor now. It's almost more than a year older. But the pricing of this phone will not disappoint you that much, as the Galaxy M55 will be priced for 8 plus 128GB at 27,000 rupees, and 8 plus 256 for 30,000, and 12 plus 256 for 33,000 rupees. Now you can also get some of the extra bank offers, exchange offers while at its initial launch, so do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom for latest tech updates.